Hey, want to make your own bingo cards in minutes without any design headaches? I'm here showing you how to use a fillable PDF templates that lets you create custom bingo cards, print, and play all within just a few clicks. Let's get started. Okay. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on how you can plan your next bingo game for whether you're hosting a graduation party, a family reunion, a summer picnic, and you want to add a little something extra to the event. We all know that bingo is a fun game for groups of individuals of all ages, and I'm going to show you how to use this PDF template, fillable PDF bingo card template that allows you to create custom cards in no time. Let's dive in. So, first of all, why would you want to use a fillable PDF bingo card template rather than going in and using something like Canva to create your own or picking up some pre-made? One, it's additional software required. All you need is a PDF reader. It saves you time. You can type once and it duplicates. It's great for teachers, party, family game nights, and it allows you to print as many as you need anytime and to use your own custom themes and ideas to really create something that's tailored to whatever event that you're hosting. So I have here on the screen a copy of my DIY fillable bingo card template that is available in the Pretty Cute Press shop. And if you're interested in it, I will have a link in it, the description below. Once you get the template, you will open it up. It's a PDF file. You'll open it up and you'll see a file that looks like this. And it has your instruction here that basically tells you that what you want to do is you want to input your custom text inside of each one of these fields. This first page here is going to be your calling card. Then when you scroll down, you'll see your first bingo card of what it looks like. And so you'll want to put your header here. So if you're having let's say it's the Smith's family reunion, and I want to put that on here, I can use that as my title, put that there. And when you scroll down, pop, boom, Smith Family Reunion is going to be on each of the 25 bingo cards. It's going to be populated automatically for you. Okay, so once you have your title in there, here, this five in a row wins. You can change this text and put anything there that you want to. And it's for your special instructions, and it too will get pre-populated on each of the bingo cards. And the way the card works, anything that is this grayish blue feature here, it indicates that it's fillable and that you can change the text to that. So, and to get started typing into your thing, all you need to do is click, and you can highlight your text here. And say, for instance, if I was doing, okay, I said it was a family reunion, and if I wanted to do something like a get to know you bingo, I could do find someone who lives in Texas as an item. And then when I scroll down, someone who lives in Texas is going to start populating across each of the bingo cards in different spots. It's not going to show up everywhere, but it'll show up in different spaces. Okay. And then we could do a different one. Let's say has a birthday in March. and you'll see that that gets populated across the bingo cards in different spots. And ultimately, you would just keep going until you filled up everything on this card, your calling card. Okay. Once you fill up everything on your calling card, then you're going to have a full set of bingo cards. Here's an example of one that I done. I created a pre-populated, a DIY Kwanzaa inspired bingo card here. So you'll see that I've added all Kwanzaa related words inside of the bingo card, and it's the calling card. And then when you scroll down, these words are dispersed throughout the different cards. Now, I haven't put a title here for this one, so I would need to do that, but I can put um, Kwanzaa bingo, and then that'll show up on each one. And once you have your bingo card set up and ready, then you're ready to simply go to File, you'll save, and then you can hit Print and print out your cards. And once you have your cards printed, you may want to add, laminate them to increase the durability, and that way you can utilize them for other occasions and at other times. Um, and the great thing about this is because this template is fillable, you can buy it once and use it for different events that you're hosting. This time maybe you're planning a family reunion, but a few months down the road, you're hosting a family birthday party, and you can just simply go in here and change this to Jay's big birthday bash, and boom, that changes the text, and you go in here and start and change it to something different thing here. Maybe you're just putting in things that he likes, like his favorite TV show, or you putting in sports, basketball, whatever your different things is, you would just put words there. And see, I made a boo-boo there. You don't want to type here in the bingo card. You want to make sure that you're typing on the calling card itself so that it gets populated and that you only have to do it once. So you want to do that. But these are linked because I typed here, it automatically shows here as well. But ultimately, you want to make sure that you're typing on this first card and that you enter your title on the title of your bingo card here on the first one, and then that populates across each of the bingo cards, and it's a set of 25, and you can use it for different events throughout the year. And again, the template itself is available in the Pretty Cute Press Etsy shop. And if you find yourself thinking, okay, I know I want to do a specific thing bingo, but you're struggling to find the words, I do have a bingo generator idea thing on my blog that you can use, that will show you that you can use to generate ideas on what to put in your cards. Hi, so we're over on the Pretty Cute Press blog, and I wanted to show you my bingo idea generator that I mentioned earlier in the video. So if you go to Pretty Cute Press slash bingo idea generator, and I'll be sure to have a link in the description box below, you can find my free AI powered idea generator tool. And like I say, this tool is just to help give you some ideas if you get stuck on what words or items to include for your theme bingo. All you need to do is enter in whatever the theme is of your bingo. So let's say we were doing, you'll see that it has some examples here But let's say we were going to do a graduation bingo, and then the number of cards, you'll just want to leave it at 1 and generate bingo word list ideas. And this tool is a free tool that's powered by Write Blogger, which is one of my new favorite tools that I've been using for the past several months. But it's going to work here, and then it's going to give you some ideas. Okay, so this gives you some ideas on some words that you could include. Now you'll notice this is not a pretty bingo card. You want to just use this as a way to get the ideas, and then you can take those and put them into my fillable bingo card template that's available for purchase. Or, if you're doing a bingo card yourself, doing it at home, you can simply take these words and then input them in there. This gives you some ideas. And if you don't like it, you can just uh, generate the word list again, and you'll get a new set of ideas that you can include. Because sometimes when you're trying to think of 25 to 30 words that relates to a particular thing, you might run out of ideas. So this free tool is something that is available that you can use. And then you'll notice that I also have here how you can links on how you can grab my fillable bingo card template. And I also have a custom Canva frame bingo template that's available for purchase. And this one, it doesn't use a PDF. It's actually a Canva template where you can go in and drag and drop your own images, or, put custom text and things like that. And just wanted to show you how you could utilize this tool, and it's available. And if you want to go and fill out something else, if you're doing a racing thing bingo, you can click that, and it'll think for a few minutes, and then it's going to come back and give you some ideas on some racing thing words that you could input into your bingo card as well. Okay, so it's asking me to verify that I'm human. Okay, and then it gives you some racing theme ideas on that you could put into your bingo card. All right, so that was just a quick demonstration. Again, I'll have this link to this free idea generator also included in the description as well. Like I say, this is just a quick and easy way to create custom bingo cards for any event that you're hosting this summer or throughout the year. Drop me a comment below and tell me what occasion you'll use your custom bingo cards for. And if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find it. And don't forget to grab your fillable bingo card template from the Pretty Cute Press shop, which the link will be in the description box below. And if you want more easy templates and creative ideas, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and have fun making bingo cards your way. See you next time. Bye-bye.